Hello honeys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very country girl vibe going on. I woke up today and I was like, I should put my hair up in braids because it's really been itching me and I'm not sure why. But anyways, today I have a really cool tutorial. Today I'm going to be shrinking this shirt that I have right here. And this is a shirt that a friend gave me. And it fits me, yeah, but it's so cute. And I really want to shrink this and make it like, fit me better and also make it a little more trendy because I feel like clothes that fit you well are very trendy. So that's what we're going to do today. And the fabric here is really soft, but it's kind of pulling. So I think that by bringing it in, we can revitalize this shirt. So today I'll show you how to get this effect. All we're going to do right now is to sew the insides of the shirt. So we're going to turn it inside out, like so. And then along the sides of the shirt and the bottom of the sleeves, all around like so, we're going to sew 1 inch from where the seam is. So here's the sleeve and we're going to sew 1 inch from here like so, and this will pull the shirt in and it'll make it thinner. But of course you can make it a 1 inch sew, you can make it 2 inches, whatever you feel is comfortable for you, you should do. So I'm going to do that on both sides. I'm going to turn my sewing machine on, and I'm using white string for this project. And I'm using a heavy duty needle because I just feel like this is really thick fabric, but you can use any kind of needle you want. And I'm just kind of using this because it's also convenient, because yesterday I used a heavy duty needle for the sequin Kylie Jenner project, which turned out not so great. But I'll get to that later. I'll tell you the story when I post the Kylie Jenner tutorial. It did not turn out the way I thought it would. So I'm gonna start sewing. So this is what it looks like. I think it's pretty cute. The only thing is I think I'm going to pull in the shoulders a little bit more and make it a little tighter, but other than that, it's very cute. I like how the arms look a little bit tighter now. So I am just going to sew about 1 inch off of all the sleeves, well, there are only 2 sleeve holes. And also 1 inch off of both sleeve holes, just like I sewed the sides and the bottom of the sleeves. How cute!